Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MEXC token. Name of the token is MEXC, ticker symbol is also MEXC. This token is a BRC-20 token on the Bitcoin ecosystem. It is a meme token, and it just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings, so we're going to go over that. And the info on this token, there's obviously not a lot of info on this token because it's just a BRC-20 meme token. So we'll go over the new updates, what this is all about, and all the info in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at MEXC_BRC20. They have 2,768 Telegram members. 113 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the conversation. So it says the King of Robot Mice, BRC-20 token on the Bitcoin network. Now, they have a link on their Telegram to their Twitter and to a different Telegram as well. So they have multiple Telegrams. One is, it says an American Telegram, and the other one's a global Telegram. The American one looks like, well, it's got an American flag there, but it's basically, that one's, it looks like it's going to be just all English, and then the other one's global, so all different languages. And you can find the Telegram at MEXC_BRC20 if you want to just go check that out. And that's a great place to learn about this token, is just to talk to people in the Telegram. Now, MEXC is an asset of BRC-20 type. Continue to build the mice community as strong as mice's reproductive energy. Now that is definitely translated. I'm going to assume that this token is not from an English-speaking country, because that read kind of crazy there. But BRC-20 is a decentralized land without owners, it says. Everyone participates together and returns the initial consensus of Satoshi Nakamoto, which is fair, just, and everyone participates, and everyone is the master. So that's what it says in this article here about MEXC from the dev or whoever wrote that on the team. Now this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today. Actually, I think there's a couple brand new central exchange listings. But this one here is on Coinex Global. So starting December 26th at 7 o'clock UTC time, which is already passed, this token will be available on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get the MEXC token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MEXC, M-I-C-E, and then simply just buy the token. So that is one way to get the MEXC token here. We'll go over some more in a second. Now, their official Twitter, I'm going to put up right here at MEXC_BRC20. And right there, you can also find a link to their Telegram. They have 6,548 Twitter followers. And they just joined in December 2023, 229 posts. So they're very active on their socials. So most of the info is going to be on there. They don't have like an official web page. It's going to take you, if you go try to click on their web page, it'll take you over to their Unisat page, which is going to have just basically regular BRC-20 token information. And it's not like a specific web page that the MEXC team made. But yeah, I mean, it would probably, the grammar on it would probably be crazy if they did make their own web page. But yeah, so you can see this project is very brand new, less than a month old, because their Twitter is just from December. pinned tweet has the Telegram in it as well. And it looks like they have 226 members in this certain community on Twitter that you could join as well. It shows that they have been trending as well in the past 7 days. It says top BRC-20 projects by volume last 7 days, and this is from December 22nd. And they beat out all sorts of different projects like RATS, BTCS, MMSS, SATs, like a whole bunch of different very popular BRC-20 stuff there. So it looks like Elon Musk, he tweets stuff and then people make tokens based off the tweets. So at one point, Elon Musk tweeted out Optimus Rex. So after that, there was a token called Optimus. And then it says Optimus Rex, the king of robot mice. So I guess that's why they named this token mice, is because of that tweet. That's what they're saying in a tweet here from December 21st. It says Elon Musk's tweet about the robotic mice has been included in the description of the mice project on CoinMarketCap. Thank you to the king of robot mice, Elon Musk. So they are listed on CoinMarketCap, so you can check them out there. It says, congratulations to mice being listed on CoinMarketCap. This marks a significant step forward in our journey towards the vast ocean of stars. Ocean, yeah, you know what I mean? So, translated. But yeah, so it says they've been successfully listed on over 10 different central exchanges. So we can go over the central exchanges here too in a second here. So, oh, there they are right there. So they're listed on, get ready, xt.com, Digifinex, OrangeX, HTX, Gate.io, Hotscoin, BitGet, Bitmart, Bitcan, and Coinw. So that's 10 right there. And then there's new ones. And so the newest one here is the Coinex global one that I just mentioned. And then I also saw a different one too. I think it's like, there's one right here. Oh, that's Gate. I thought it was maybe like Lbank or Poloniex or something like that. But yeah, there's been some brand new ones too. Just they have so many tweets, it's so hard to find anything on here. But yeah, they have well over 10 listings now. So if you go to ordinalswallet.com, you can check this token out. You can look it up by inscription number. So their inscription number is 396419. They have the token ID there, inscription number. They have the owner. They have the content length is 74 bytes. Genesis fee, the SAT rarity, SAT number. They go through all that type of stuff on here. So they have the MEXC, ticker symbol is mice, BRC-20. So that's where you can look up the information, is at ordinalswallet.com. And like I said, if you want to get this token, it just got, there's not much to it. It's, it's a brand new token, which doesn't really have an actual web page or anything like that. It's just a meme token. It's an ordinal BRC-20 token, and it just got a ton of central exchange listings. And the newest one is Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Coinex Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about mice? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.